My girl, we're going for another walking. And they got their hats and they're sunny. How cute. Are you glad we're going for another walking?
Yeah.
Okay, let's start. Oh, what happened? Your sunny turns into glasses. Do you need goggles now? How cute. It was sunny and now it's gone. Oh, can you turn it back to sunny? Ah, you put it down and it turns into sunny. That's very fancy. Here we go. The walking starts. How fun. The whole family's here. We got our gear again because it's very steep downhill and it's very, very uneven downhill. This is what we did. It's so steep and very rocky. We come all the way from the top of the mountain to here. But now we're finally on the proper walking trail. Let's go! Now you can lead the way, girls! Okay, here helicopters. These two are happy. Now they can walk properly, they're very happy. Before was a little bit scary so you did quite well, Isabel found it a bit scary. Okay, we're at a bridge. There must be a creek here.
Oh, there's water.
The water? The creek or river? Not much water there.
Careful, move.
It's a bit dry, isn't it? Very nice, and you can hear the birds tweeting when you're walking around. Before we saw a pond and there were lots of fish. There was a grandpa there telling us there's a giant fish. Oh no, not a giant fish, there's a pond with lots of fish. Hello, horsey. Giddy up, giddy up. They had a sign on the trail that you can ride a horsey. She says she is the horsey. Hello, horsey. Are you giddy up? Good job, horsey. There's a little creek on this side, which is nice. And on this side, there's a duck's family. 6 of them. Like this little creek. Very nice. See, there's a butterfly. Ooh, right? The white butterfly. Very nice. Do you like it? Here you go. Oh, hello, butterfly. Oh, it stayed there. Oh, there's another one on the back. Oh, there's more duckies here. This is out of the creek. Very nice. At the end of the pond, there's fishes there as well. Very nice. They're swimming towards us. Oh, here you go, ducky's coming. Oh, there's butterflies here. Oh, Isabel found a family of duck. Oh my god, how many of them are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Oh, there's so many of them. Zoe, there's a family of 11 ducks.
Hello. Hello, ducky. Hello, ducky. Oh, one's going away.
Yeah, one going the other.
Catch it. 3 little ducklings.
Oh, one's followed the other way.
Hello.
She's hiding.
That's amazing.
Is that cool? Uh-oh, was lonely. Not fun?
The duck is lost.
Uh,
Ducky, come here.
they will find the mommy. You're standing here. She's too scared to come back. Once we pass, Ducky will come, okay? We'll go back to the family. Here we go. Nearly at the end of our, I think it's Mullum Mullum walking trail. We're walking onto a bridge. Then there will be a playground area there. It's a very easy trail because it's all flat surface. Oh, looking at the creek. Nice surprise at the end, isn't it? Oh, Mullum Mullum actually has another 2 kilometers, the main Yarra trail, but we're going to this way, to the playground. Oh, the girls has energy now. I can hear them cheering and yelling. There's a playground, there's a nursery. And to the back, oh, there's a sand pit. Oh, and the climbing things. The girls love it. They'll have lots of fun here. You like sand pit, right? You can play sand pit all day. Nice. Look at my little digger. So much fun. And there's more play area here. Oh, Isabel's there. Oh, there's a little bridge. There's a water fountain. Is this there on that table? Or there's a little slide here as well. They're picking blackberries. Did you get some sweet ones? And before we got lots of giant figs as well, right? Very nice juicy figs. Oh, and he's having an apple. Are you going on a fruit hunt? Very nice. We're going on adventure. Oh, look at it. You can't even see the caravan park that we started. We're on top of this hill now. Oh, good news is the top of the hill, but oh, bad news. There's going to be another hill coming up. Let's climb down the mountain first. Then we can climb another mountain. Is that fun? Very different than the trail we come before, right?
Mommy, I'm scared looking down.
But we go slowly. Oh, it's very steep.
Mommy,
Oh my god, is this a bit much?
Mommy, I'm scared.
Oh, look at it.
Let me have just a bit too steep here.
Look at it. It's really steep.
Way too steep.
Look ridiculously steep. We're going to go very, very slow down the hill. Then we will conquer the second hill. You know, the scary hill, very steep hill, and the rocks was very slippery. Okay, and now we need to climb this mountain. Yay! How adventurous are we today? Very. Yeah, there's a little stream, see? How pretty. Look how steep the whole way down. It's like you can never see the road. You can just see what's in front of you. Okay, after climbing 4 mountains, now we're going to a narrow street. Oh, walking inside the nature. The girls did very well. They climbed up and down the mountains themselves. Was very steep, but they all did it. Good on you girls. Oh, look at the creek. Oh, you can't see in the picture very well. think Daddy also can see the creek from that angle. Yeah, it's right there behind the trees. Look at the bush. Lots of butterflies inside, lots of birds. Here, so many birds tweeting. Look, in the middle of nowhere. Okay, we're going down. Then I'm going to see the creek there. Okay, this is the Mullum Mullum Creek.
There.
Here we are. Oh,
There's platypus that live in here.
oh, it's platypus.
What color?
Oh, beautiful. I don't know if we'll see one, but apparently they live in here.
Oh, now the road should get a bit easier to walk. Finally, it's a bit flat, isn't it?
There's a little creek here. I didn't even notice.
Yes, see, there's a little creek here. Didn't even notice. They're trying how deep the waters are. Right, but it's not safe for you to step in, right? You see how your things go inside? It's too deep, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's keep our walking. Look at all these big houses, giant. Oh, and look at all this. Oh, nice. Oh, let's keep going. Oh, finally, we're coming down some real street. Oh, flat. Oh, yes. No more mountain climbing. Oh, yeah, yeah. Look at people's garden. Gosh. Look at the mansion. My gosh. Oh, look at all these houses. How much grass they have. My gosh, it's magnificent. It's just very hard to maintain. Look at, I guess they all have their private gardeners. Oh yay! There's another giant hill down and a hill up. Just after I thought we have finished with these hills. Of course not. It's Adventure Day. And look at the flowers. Oh, you caught me. Oh, it's hard to focus, is it? Oh, here you go. Oh, too hard. Here you go. Pretty. Alright, let's join the group. Finally back to where we parked. Oh, look. The end, all these power lines. We walk across all of these. Okay, let's go rest and have our long deserved dinner.